We at Vision Money Mantra always work on improvement in customer service and satisfaction levels. As a continuation of this, we are happy to announce that Vision Money Mantra has launched its own Android app, which is now available on Google Play Store with the name Vision Money Bucket. In this short video, we are presenting here with a walkthrough about using our app. So let's start. First step is to download app from Google Play Store. In Google Play Store, search for Vision Money Bucket and install app. App will be installed in couple of minutes and then we will move towards next step. Once app is installed, open the app and after these introduction screens, we have to do registration on the app. For this, click on Create Now button and fill up your details like name, mobile number, email ID and password as per your choice. Accept terms and conditions and click on register for completing your registration process. Now I have filled up my details and I am clicking on register button. Now registration will be completed in moments and you will be redirected to login screen. Here we have to log in with the given email ID and password which was used for registration and click on login. Let's see what are the menus available in the app. Firstly, we can start with wealth management where you can see your mutual fund portfolio. By clicking on this, you have to input your username and password given to you for viewing your mutual fund portfolio. The next, for new investors, they can complete their KYC process using eKYC option. For new investments and withdrawals, you can use invest button and submit your details, or for withdrawal or redemption, you can use the withdrawal tab. Apart from this, if you want to open a demat or trading account, you can use trading tab. PMS services also available, and if you want any help, you can click on CRM button where you can directly contact to our CRM or operations team, or you can write a message so that our team will get back to you for assistance. In profile menu, you can edit your profile and you can permanently save your mutual fund user ID, so you need not type the user ID again and again in mutual fund menu. Along with wealth management, there are various service requests available in the app like GST consultation, loan assistance, various insurances like term insurance, health insurance, group insurance, etc. In income tax, you can submit your documents for income tax filing from your mobile itself as per your convenient time, and our back office team will process your income tax returns. You can apply for digital signatures and many other services provided by the Vision Group for various business needs. In service request tab, you can see the pending as well as completed request from your side. Also, we at Vision Group have launched a very unique proposal of Vision Business Network, where the idea is to grow the businesses of our clients using the network of our clients. A separate information about Vision Business Network will be provided to you all. Using payment option, you can make payment of fees. Using refer and earn button, you can invite your friends, relatives, colleagues to Vision group for various services offered by Vision, and you will get surprise gift for introduction of your friends and relatives. Even you can share our app using various social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, etc. And then there are certain other options like using YouTube button. You can see all our YouTube videos for your ready reference and knowledge updation. Then there are notification buttons. There are two types of notification: generalized notification and specific notifications for you. And then there is menu button where you can edit your profile and see some other details about the app. We hope that you liked our effort of this Vision Money Bucket app. We request you all to download the app from the Play Store and start using the same. We are eagerly waiting for your inputs and feedbacks about the app. Thank you.